If you have a security system with a control pad like this, a Safewatch Pro 3000, you probably want to know everything there is to know about how to arm and disarm your system. In this video, I'm going to show you all the different methods I use to arm and disarm my system. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that'll make it easier for you to arm your system. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload videos. Hi, it's Dave. This is the keypad for my security system. Today I'm going to show you the 4 ways that I arm my system. When I do that, I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4 for my security code. When I type in 1, 2, 3, 4, make sure you type in your correct security code. The first method I use to arm my security system is called the stay mode. In the stay mode, the perimeter sensors are armed and the interior sensors are not. So it's good for when you are staying in the house because the motion sensors will not set off your alarm. In order to arm your system in the stay mode, you're going to enter your security code and then hit 3 for stay.
Armed, stay.
As you can see, there's a delay. The alarm is not armed until that delay is done. So you can open up a door and it won't go off until the delay is complete. The second really common way that I arm my system is the away mode. In the away mode, there's also a delay, but in addition to the perimeter sensors, it also arms the interior sensors like motion detectors. So in order to arm it in the away mode, I'm going to enter my code and 2 for away. As you can see, it's now turning it on,
Away, exit now.
but it delays and shows you the delay right here before it actually arms. Another way you can arm your system that I don't think as many people know about and use is the night stay mode. In the night stay mode, there is a delay, but the interior sensors, like the motion detectors, are also armed. So if you have pets and kids or yourself moving around the house, you don't want to use this. But if nobody's moving around, you might want to use this. In order to use the night stay mode, you're going to enter your code, and then you're going to hit 3 twice.
Night, stay.
You can see there it says night stay, and there's a delay, so it hasn't armed yet. Another way to arm your system that I don't think as many people know about is the instant mode. When you use the instant mode, it works just like stay, but there's no entry delay when someone opens the door. To use the instant mode, you're going to enter your code and then hit 7.
Armed, stay, instant.
Okay, and it says instant. You can see there's still the exit delay that gives you time to leave before it arms. But if someone opens a door, once it's armed, the alarm goes off instantly. There's no delay between the opening of the door and the alarm going off. Now, to turn your alarm off, to disarm it, in all cases, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to enter your code and hit 1 for off.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Now for that bonus tip I promised you. If you want a slightly easier way to arm your system, and this is to arm only, not to disarm, instead of putting in your code, you can just hit the number sign in place of your code and then hit whatever it is you want to do to arm your system. So for example, number sign and stay to arm it to stay.
Armed, stay.
And then we can disarm it normally.
Disarm.
Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck with your alarm system or with your next project. Leave a comment and let me know if this helped you out.